gorgeous people of the interwebs, and welcome to day 4 of my 12 days of Vlogmas. It's an early one today because got stuff to do, got some work to do, but we're going to head out a bit later. Going to go and hit up a Christmas market, so excited for that. But I wanted to jump in first quickly and say, wow, wasn't our village festival really gorgeous? Honestly, I rounded the corner, I saw all the people, I saw the Santa sleigh, I saw everything, and I was just blown away, utterly blown away that we have this on our doorstep in our village. It's just astonishing. I felt quite emotional, quite overwhelmed, wanted to burst into tears. The lion said, look, if you cry, we're going to go straight home. But I wanted to burst into tears. It was just amazing. It was like a dream. It was like an amazing dream. So you guys appear to have enjoyed it as well from your comments. Thank you very much for those. Advent calendar for me. Advent calendar choice. The girls are going to get theirs later, so stick around for that. Today's Advent calendar, day 4. Day 4 is... oh, it's a twofer. This one's a little bit of a surprise because I forgot which one I put in this bag. It is a twofer. It is, oh, are we going to focus? Estee Lauder. And I've got two. I've got Day Wear Matte Oil Control Moisture Gel Cream for my face. And then the Day Wear Eye for my eyes. So that's my little treaty treat. Oh, God. Oh, I shouldn't rub my eyes. I know I shouldn't rub my eyes. Ah. The eye cream I have used before because I got that in a little tester with an Estee Lauder gift box. And the Day Wear Matte Oil Control, haven't tried this, but I do get kind of dry and oil and stuff, so I prefer a sort of gel cream rather than a really heavy cream. I find that just makes me break out and gets really thick and heavy. I am gonna go. I'm so sorry, you didn't need to see that. I'm gonna go and grab another coffee, smash through work, and then we're going to go and hit the Christmas markets. Look, I've got a little friend with me as well. I've got a little Daisy. She is officially the cutest cat in the world. I forgot to say, these M&S pyjamas, I got these about 3 years ago. Absolutely love them. Haven't bought any M&S PJs this year. I've got 3 sets. I think it's probably enough for the time being. It's another cold one. We are going to a Christmas market at our local leisure centre, so we're not entirely sure what to expect. There are a few things outside and, well, that was eye-opening. Did you see all of that, all bags, all pure? Yeah, exciting stuff out in the open.
You've been overpaying for this stuff. That's what I'm learning here. You've been paying it over the odds. There was a lot of really cheap Louis Vuitton there. And you told me it never goes on the sale.
Seems legit. Seems legit. Right, so we don't know what kind of hopes we've got for inside, but here we go. Dangly one's interesting. Oh no, I'm not getting two. It looks like an ice cream cone. interesting. Not as hoped. There was no bratwurst stand, there was no Glühwein, no hot chocolate, no nothing like that. So
well, it was a fair. It was not. It wasn't a market.
I mean, it was
fair.
It was actually called the Christmas market.
Was it?
Yeah. So,
Right.
but it was more of a just sort of normal sort of Sunday stuff market.
And fair.
Yeah, market. So yeah. Lies. So we're going to go and find some food. It's a bit grey. What is that?
It's a burger. I put that on the Frankfurt. This is what you wanted.
No, I wanted a bratwurst. Instead, I'm gonna have a festive burger and brie bites
What's in the fest?
with cranberry. Recognize these? Oh, I do like a colourful bauble. Oh, it's a nighty version. It is a nighty version of the PJs I bought last year. We've just got back and I completely failed to share my outfit of the day with you. I'm wearing my big duvet coat again. I've got my Fendi Napa leather mini baguette and did have this little pouch, contains a little fold up shopping bag, but we used it because we bought things. Creamy white M&S jogger set and my M&S lug boots, and I loved it. What are you doing, you little weirdo? Look, you've got a little spider friend. What are you doing in the bath? We've been looking everywhere for you. It's treats time. Ooh, what's that? What's that? Is that your pardon? Oh, thank you, Lily. And you? Oh, thank you, Daisy. Is that your advent calendar? You are going to lose a finger doing it like that. Oh, really? Good girl.
Oh. Did you get it? Good girl.
She's never gonna. Uh-oh. Conflict. It's the biscuit machine going off downstairs.
The treats are too good. Oh, passive aggressive. Naughty.
Is that the last one?
Daisy. That was it. That's it, babies. All done.
Good girls.
Fly, my beautifuls, fly.
No, she's going to lie down where the feet go.
Put stuff on those in there. Daisy, what are you doing? Daisy. Daisy.